Running a massive 284 billion parameter AI model entirely on a single consumer chip usually means a system crash or a melted processor. But today, we are going to do exactly that, right on your desk. We are loading up DeepSeek V4 and pushing it to a rapid 32 tokens per second using a custom inference engine called Loosebox. To follow along, you need the right hardware baseline. For this run, we are using an AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 3900 processor. Most importantly, you must verify your system has at least 120 gigabytes of unified memory available. Confirming this massive shared memory overhead is your mandatory first step. If you skip this, loading the target weights will cause an immediate out-of-memory crash. Let's get the software ready. Start by cloning the Loosebox repository to your machine and building the custom C++ engine directly from the source code. Ignore the standard compilation warnings during the build. Once your terminal shows direct ROCm HIP compilation is complete, you've generated a raw binary. We bypass heavy frameworks like Python to talk directly to the GPU. With the software built, we need to stabilize the hardware environment. Set your CPU to performance mode and lock the GPU clock to its maximum frequency. Check your terminal outputs to confirm the GPU clock is actually locked. Locking these clocks prevents thermal throttling from skewing our metrics, establishing a reliable, flat baseline for benchmark tests. Running a 284 billion parameter model in standard autoregressive mode on a consumer chip is simply too slow for real-time applications. With speculative decoding, a tiny draft model fires first, guessing several tokens at once. The massive target model then verifies them all in a single forward pass, giving you multiple tokens for the cost of one. DeepSeek V4 also features native multi-token prediction, or MTP heads, baked right into the model weights. These layers generate extra, free tokens with every pass, without needing a secondary draft model. By combining the draft model's speculative guesses with these native MTP heads, we execute the exact mathematical trick needed to break the 30 tokens per second barrier on local hardware. Now let's translate that theory into our server setup. We need to string together multiple specific command line flags to achieve our target speed. Start by executing the Loosebox binary and mapping it to the 95 gigabyte target model, followed by your 11 gigabyte draft model. Next, turn on the DSpark verification protocol and cap the verification batch at 4 positions per pass to optimize the workload going to the GPU. Add the pre-fill sparse flag. This activates DeepSeek's learned indexer, allowing the engine to skip unnecessary attention calculations during the initial prefill phase. Set your expert routing to top K4, intentionally trading a microscopic amount of output quality for raw speed. Finally, turn the prefix cache off to force everything to stay in memory. Hit Enter and wait for the weights to unpack. Once it finishes, the terminal will confirm the server is listening locally on port 8000. This dense string of flags has just transformed those theoretical speed concepts into a highly optimized, fully active local API endpoint ready for querying. With the server running, let's test the endpoint using a lightweight Python script. We want raw HTTP calls, avoiding heavy, bloated frameworks. Make sure your script configures a streaming request payload. Setting stream to true absolutely minimizes latency overhead. Running this first without the DSpark optimizations active, the model generates a clear, coherent response at a baseline speed of 22 tokens per second. Now, rerunning the exact same request with our DSpark verification and MTP flags fully active, the speed jumps directly to 32 tokens per second. This performance matrix compares our autoregressive baseline against our optimized run. Activating these software optimizations yields a massive 26% efficiency gain. Hitting 32 tokens per second purely through software tuning proves that massive enterprise-grade AI models are practically deployable right now on local consumer-tier hardware. You can find the links to the Loosebox code in the description below to try this yourself.